help? Does anyone know how you go live on YouTube or Facebook using your M50? Hey guys, this is Marie Antoinette, leader of Team Face Fairies and Mayel Influencer 2 Professional, and welcome to my channel. Let me tell you, I had that question and I was about to pull my hair out, and I think a lot of you are going to be so happy to see this video because I'm going to break it down to you in non-techie form. Okay, I am not a tech person, I am not a camera person, I just learned what ISO was. In fact, I get sometimes confused between input and output. So anyway, if you are camera challenged like me, a newbie, you may love this video. And if you do, I would love to see your comments below. Okay, so let's walk through what you need to make this happen. So I'm doing all of my video shooting on my Canon M50 camera. Now, I love this because it is a mirrorless camera, which I still have no idea what the hell that means. And also, it is in 4K, which is, whoa, is so awesome. Although I think because of the speed of my computer, it's only doing HD. But hey, that's still good, right? I am working with a Mac, so this is not a PC Windows application tutorial. I'm so sorry to tell you that. Okay, so on to what you need. You need your Canon camera. Mine's an M50. You also need this. This is a micro USB charge sync cable. Now, you want this because it plugs in to the camera and it connects to your computer. Here's the thing. You'll have some people that'll tell you, make sure that it's a clean output. Make sure it's a clean output. All right, I had no idea what that was all about. But basically what they're trying to say is, when I look at my camera screen, I see all of the menu items there. That is not clean, all right? But on my screen, you don't see them, and that's a clean output. That means that the menu items on my screen of my camera are not showing up onto the video, and that is good, okay? You don't want that to happen. So make sure when you get your micro USB charge sync cable that you have two other applications that you need to get this baby rolling, okay? All right, so here are the two applications that you need. One is a free application and the other one has a cost. I haven't figured out how to do it for free. I hear this thing about OBS. I haven't tried it, but you can try it out too. But my main goal is to look as professional as possible. The very first thing you want to do is you want to download the camera.zip file because that's what recognizes your camera with the encoder software. And the encoder software is the eCam software, just so you know. Encode, I still don't know what it means, but it makes the camera work. And that's what's most important to me. All right, and then after that's done, then you will go ahead and download the eCam software. Download eCam Live. It's going to cost you about $79, but again, it's so worth it. You can go live on Facebook and you can go live on YouTube. You can also record like I'm doing right now. Once that's up and running, then you're going to go ahead, turn on your camera. Make sure that the Canon software that's installed with your camera, the EOS utility, is not on when you open up Camera Live. See this warning, failed to communicate with camera? That is normal. Click OK. The EOS utility will not open, and that's really important when you're using the Camera Live. So now it's active, and now we can go into our Ecamm Live demo or the Ecamm Live file and click on that, and then it opens up the Ecamm. And the reason why we're getting this warning message that says the video encoder is busy is because I'm using QuickTime to do a video of my screen. So you're not going to see this video encoder busy unless you have multiple video hardwares open. If you open up Camera Live by itself and then Ecamm, it will automatically sync in. You will just have to log into your Facebook account or your YouTube account and hit go, and it works. It's incredible that the way that it works. So let's wrap it on up. What do you need to go live on Facebook and YouTube? All you need is your live camera software, your eCamera software, and a micro USB charge sync cable. Plug that into your Mac and your Canon DSLR camera or your mirrorless camera, and you are good to go. If this was helpful for you, let me know, comment below, and subscribe. I know for me, I'm like so happy that I finally was able to figure it out. And I want to thank all of my friends, especially my friend CJ, for answering all my questions. He's in the VRA group. If you guys aren't part of Sean Cannell's VRA group, you need to be part of that community because there are so many awesome supportive people that are more technical than me, helping me get through to the Facebook Live more professional zone. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you later. Hey, and don't forget, you are perfect just the way you are, so you just keep on being you.